Can I have green? What do you like?
Tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce.
Hello, this semester Phonics First welcomes its English summer camp. And this year's topic is the adventure awaits. Come and join in the exciting adventures of various eras. You will learn about dinosaurs, pirates, Greeks, Romans, and more.
I'm gonna take a hand of it. Yes. 3 fingers is enough.
I have no it has stars on it.
Six.
My grandpa has hamburger.
Do you know what this is?
To give children a fun and impressive experience and most importantly learn phonics, activities are taught by native speaking English teachers.
Wow, it's a scary scope.
Look at me. Big bet.
You'll be like a jellyfish.
I got small hands.
We teach all skills: reading, listening, speaking, social, creative and phonics skills.
Hey, what's up?
The.
Go around and one more time. And they make that sound when they're really happy.
I hope we don't end up in Oxford again.
We have activities continuously throughout the day and we have 7 branches for you to choose near your home. Welcome, and I hope to see you at the English summer camp at Phonics First.
What did you like about camp?
I like cooking. It was so fun to cook. I will come back to cooking. I like reading.
What do you think about camp?
There were so many fun and activities. I want to come every day. I have a good time at camp.
Oh, very good. Do you think you want to come to camp again?
Yeah.
Oh, that's very good.
สมัครวันนี้จากปกติ 17,500 บาทลด 20% ทันทีเหลือเพียง 14,000 บาท 10 ท่านแรกที่สมัครเข้ามาแถมฟรีกิจกรรมช่วงบ่ายมูลค่า 6,500 บาทรีบสมัครกันมานะคะ
Thank you and goodbye.
We